क्या आप मोटापे से परेशान हैं? सो काफी झटैक मटैक लग रहा है ना आज का ये लुक। ये वीडियो वैसे ही होने वाला है। सो प्लीज यार सब्सक्राइब कर लो, लाइक कम ऑन, वन क्लिक ओनली, वन क्लिक, दैट्स इट। Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is good to see you back, but if you're someone new, hi, I'm Sagarika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. But there is so much more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you hit the bell icon so you will be notified next time I upload any video and you don't miss out on them. And of course, if you're a fan of no makeup look, subtle makeup look, you should definitely check out my Instagram. You'll find many tutorials over there. इस कुर्ते में तो मैंने इतने looks and tutorials किए हैं on my Instagram. I can't stop wearing this kurta. I just love this one. By the way, it's from Myntra. If you want, I'll put the link in the description box below. क्या आप eyeliner लगाना चाहते हैं चुटकियों में? क्या आपका everyday eyeliner look boring हो चुका है? जोक्स अपार्ट, बट ये वीडियो उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है who are still struggling in applying eyeliner. And any of the guys who have clicked on this video, if you want to watch this video, it's a very easy tutorial. But make sure to share this video with your girlfriends, friends, relatives, cousins, moms. In this video, I will teach you not only one but 3 eyeliner looks. ये वीडियो दोनों ही लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल होने वाला है, एक जिनको eyeliner लगाने आता है अच्छे से, एक जिनको नहीं आता है. So जिन्हें नहीं आता है, I'm first going to demonstrate a very easy trick in how you can apply eyeliner in minutes. And for the ones जिन्हें आता है, you will learn a new trick how to level up your everyday eyeliner game. And the link to all other videos, my vlogs, makeup tutorials, review videos, the link will also be in the description box below. So make sure you check them out. So starting off with my favorite eyeliner, this one is from Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner, and this is such an amazing eyeliner. It is waterproof, smudge proof, bold, intense. I love this one. It is very pigmented. Scraping out the excess product, what I really love about this eyeliner is it has a very nice thin brush to it. So applying classic eyeliner or wing eyeliner is very easy and simple using this one. I would highly recommend this eyeliner. The first basic trick of applying eyeliner is take support of your cheek using your pinky finger so you can draw stable lines. And firstly, I'm going to draw the wing. So my first step is draw a wing. Just draw a diagonal line as you can see. After drawing the diagonal line, as you can see, is already giving the illusion that we have an eyeliner on. So I really like to draw the wing first and then complete the rest of my eyeliner. So it's like you get done with the difficult part first. Now while making the wing, just take a support of your cheek and draw a diagonal line. Please don't pull your skin first and then apply the eyeliner. उससे आपके आईलाइनर का शेप बिगड़ जाएगा एंड इट विल लुक वेरी क्लम्पी. नाउ फॉर दोस्त जिनसे स्ट्रेट लाइन बिल्कुल भी नहीं बनता है, आपके घर में ऐसा कोई भी कार्ड पड़ा होगा, जस्ट टेक इट एंड प्लेस इट अक्रॉस योर आई लाइक दिस. So the card is aligned with the end of your eyebrow, and now all you have to do is just draw a straight line along the card like this. A छोटू सा लाइन बना दो कार्ड का हेल्प लेके. That's it. And there you go. You have that wing for your eyeliner. Isn't this trick amazing? Make sure you comment down below and let me know. As you can see, the wing for both the eyeliner is ready. Now completing the rest of the eyeliner will be very easy for you. Now coming to step 2, you have to just draw a line very close to your lash line. आपको अपने lash line के एकदम पास में एक line draw करना है using the eyeliner, and that's it. And as you can see, वो eyeliner का shape already बन चुका है and your eyeliner looks very complete. If you want, you can leave at this step only and your eyeliner will be done. Now the third and the very important step is you have to connect the wing with the line that you have drawn along your lash line. You have to just apply a little bit of eyeliner connecting them, and there you go. Your eyeliner will be complete in minutes. So good job guys. And here's a close look of how I'm connecting the wing with the line that I've drawn along my lash line. I'm connecting the step 1 and the step 2. And that's it. Applying a classic wing eyeliner is that easy, guys. Trust me. And there you go. Wing eyeliner लगाना कितना easy था, है ना? So make sure you comment down below and let me know if you love this trick. And let me show you how to get this beautiful sharp look in seconds. So I'm starting off with the same eyeliner. So after applying a wing eyeliner, you just have to apply eyeliner in your inner corner in a V motion. So of course scraping out the excess product, and with hell lot of patience I'm applying the eyeliner in my inner corner. So you first have to extend the upper lash line and then you have to take it towards the lower lash line. Remember, आपको inner corner में V motion में eyeliner apply करना है, and that's it. Just a very simple trick. And as you can see, my left eye looks so defined and sharp as compared to my right eye. And this is what Foxy eyeliner does. It gives your eyes a really nice sharp look. So quickly doing the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm applying the eyeliner in the inner corner in a V motion. And after that I'm going to pick a brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it along my lower lash line. Jitna bhi space empty hai, to give my eyes a more defined look. And guys, applying Foxy eyeliner is a really nice twist in your regular eyeliner. Make sure to try this trick. You will love it. This eyeliner type looks so edgy and different. Guys, make sure to give this trick a try. Coming to the third type of eyeliner, this is glitter eyeliner. Let me show you a quick tutorial on this. So you will need a liquid glitter eyeshadow and a thin brush. Here I'm using Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow, and don't worry, you will find the link to all the products in the description box below. You can use any thin brush that you have. So I have the cap with me, and using a thin brush, I'm going to pick the product which is on the tip of the eyeshadow. Remember, you have to pick the product on the tip of the thin brush. Now what you have to do is, over your classic eyeliner, you just have to draw an outline using this glitter eyeshadow. And guys, ये trick इतना amazing लगता है. It looks so festive, so unique and so beautiful. Whatever product that I have in my thin brush, I'm applying an outline to my classic wing eyeliner. You just have to draw an outline over your black wing eyeliner. And this is the close-up look. You have to apply this eyeliner very patiently, taking the support of the cheeks using the pinky finger, so I can really draw a nice outline and I don't overlap over my actual wing eyeliner. And as you can see the difference, my right eye looks so bright and beautiful as compared to the other eye, and I personally love this trick. ये मैंने अपने दिवाली लुक में भी किया था, and I just really love how beautiful and unique this eyeliner looks. You can do this eyeliner on occasions, weddings, festivals. It will look very beautiful, very unique. So guys, if you love this trick, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Okay, so that was it for the video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you have any queries or doubts regarding any of the products shown or techniques, make sure you comment down below and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. And if you have any ideas or suggestions for my next YouTube video, make sure you comment down below them as well. And also the link to my past videos will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. Make sure you connect with me on Instagram. You will find many vlogs, makeup tutorials and fun stuff. So make sure you follow me there as well. Don't worry, आपको सारे products के links मिल जाएंगे in my description box below. Also my lipstick, my outfit, everything you'll find in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. And if you're loving this volume in my hair, so I've recently posted my hair transformation vlog. You will find the link somewhere over here or in the description box below. And thank you so much for your encouragement, love and support. That really motivates me to make more such helpful videos for you. Make sure you like this video and click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you haven't already. And do comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. ये आपको helpful लगा, नहीं लगा, and और क्या tutorials मैं आपके लिए ला सकती हूँ. What more content you wanna see? So make sure you comment down below and let me know. And I will make that happen as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.